Hi everyone. In this video, we will show you the third way to protect your PDF using PDF.co. The third level of protection is leveraging the built-in PDF security options. These options include file content encryption, user and owner passwords, content extraction restriction, and more. With PDF.co's PDF security function, you can have access to tons of security features that gives you control over your document. So, let's start the demo. In PDF.co API docs, look for PDF password and security web API and copy the endpoint to be used. Next, log into your PDF.co account. On your PDF.co dashboard, click the Request Tester page. In the Post field, enter the PDF security and password endpoint. For the Input Parameters field, load your source file. You can override the input URL with a link or with a file. You can also use the built-in sample PDF URL. Then, type your preferred password for the owner and user passwords. Here are the security features that give you control over your document. In name param, type in your desired output file name. After setting up, click the Run Request button. Once the request was successful, click the link to view the output or directly download the output file. Then, type in your password to open the protected document. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you for watching.